Not even filming, but just doing a quick walk through Montrose Harbor before we hit the beach. Little rock bass, swim bait. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. We are here at the Horseshoe Montrose Harbor, and we just caught a beautiful little smallmouth bass. Very, very cool, guys. As you can see, there's tons of steam on the lake. Tons of steam. Temperature has dropped, so tons of steam is coming off the lake because the lake temperature is actually warmer than the air temperature. Using a little swim bait. Smallmouth, babe.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you get a video?
Yeah. But yeah, I want to walk around that there. Be able to get out of the wind over there.
Okay, well let's hurry up and do that.
Ooh. Got something here. Ooh, that's a big old rock bass. Oh! Did you just see that rock bass that got up? There's something. Woo! Look at that, guys. That is a jumbo perch, man. Very nice yellow perch. Is that a nice fish, guys?
He has big cheeks. The eyes are a little bit squishy.
Yeah.
Step back in the water. There we go, guys. And this will definitely complete the outing today. Just wanted to come back in the harbor, grab a fish. You can see the difference between how clear it was earlier and how foggy it is now. It's not dark, it's foggy. It's crazy.